good evening, depending on wherever you are tuning in to this digital telecast. My name is Frisia and I am elated to be back as your host for the Apollo CV Awards 2022. So ladies and gentlemen, let's welcome onto our screens Mr. Anil Walson.
Ecosystem responding to these market dynamics. I see leading companies adopting various strategies, but mostly there are four broad themes emerging. The first is about focus on building enterprise resilience. The second is about accelerating digitalization in products, services, and across the enterprise. The third is about catching up on sustainability. And last but not the least, it's all about speeding up innovation.
This is the 13th edition of the Commercial Vehicle Awards. Sadly, 2021 saw the same recessionary trends in the commercial vehicle industry as 2020. Particularly affected were the medium and heavy commercial segment. The demand for buses also took a nosedive. Things started looking up towards the end of the year, and 2022 is expected to be better.
For making the jury process a success, I'd like to take this opportunity to thank companies who came forward and for complying with due processes and timelines to qualify. It made for quite an engrossing jury process with our esteemed panel of jury members who without doubt lend an immense value addition to the process, given their diverse expertise. The winners are to be announced shortly, and looking back at the process, the nominees backed by able corporate communication teams as a whole can take immense pride in presenting their nominations with the best foot forward. Enough of talks, why don't you take a look for yourself at some animated behind-the-scenes footage of the Apollo CV Awards 2022 Jury Meet AV. Watch out for the winners on the other side as suspense unfolds.
Wave Beats Music.
The CV Man of the Year, none other than a good friend of mine, Girish Wah, Executive Director, Tata Motors. Congratulations, Girish. Congratulations, Tata Motors.
It gives me great pleasure to announce the Man of the Year for the CV industry. The winner is, of course, Mr. Girish Wah of Tata Motors. He deserves a double applause because, to my mind, he's the only person in the history of the CV Awards who's won this award twice.
Thank you so much. I think this award, CV Man of the Year, I must say that a leader is as good as the team. So this one also goes to the entire team for whatever they have done during the past 1 year. I must also add that I think the inspiration behind this has been our group chairman, Mr. Chandrasekharan. I think he's the one who has been pushing us to explore the art of the possible and also see what we can do and how we can achieve our aspirations. So following the footsteps that he has led for us, I think this is what we've been able to do. So thank you once again, and I dedicate this to all the employees within Tata Motors Commercial Vehicles. Thank you.
22 CV Maker of the Year. Any guesses? Well, it's none other than Tata Motors Limited.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
Thank you, Tata Motors.
Thank you. Let me first express my thanks to Apollo, CV Magazine, and the entire team of jury who found us worth for this award. It's a matter of immense pride and also pleasure to take this award on behalf of the Tata Motors Commercial Vehicles team for the 4th year in succession. I think we must thank all our customers who have reposed their faith in our BS6 products as well as the new set of services under Sampurna Seva. It is also a matter of joy for us that it's just not Tata Motors but all the channel partners, dealers, distributors and suppliers. It's all their efforts and this recognition goes to all of them. I must say that since the BS6 transition, I think our products have been doing pretty well, and let me once again thank all the customers for that. There are a few areas where we have improved the performance, whether it is the total cost of ownership, whether it is comfort and convenience, or finally connectivity. On the connected truck, I think we have come up with the Fleet Edge platform, which is helping the customers not just to manage their truck, but manage the entire fleet, manage the freight, and finally manage the business. And finally, I think I'm also very proud to talk about the initial strides that we have done in the electrification to support government sustainability drive. So in the buses, I think we have been doing pretty well by supplying more than 600 buses which are running on Indian roads and covered more than 8 million cumulative kilometers. So overall, I think it has been a very good year, although we have been coming out of very challenging times. Finally, let me add, I think this award goes to all our employees who in this challenging period during COVID have put in their best to ensure that this award comes to us. Thank you very much.
Look at the CV of the year, and this one goes to iShare Pro 2114 XP CNG. Congratulations, iShare Motors.
This is what we strive for at the end of a year as part of the next gen and with our SE partners Apollo CV Awards to highlight that one product which shapes the market, and it is none other than iShare Pro 2114 HP CNG as your CV of the Warm applause. Thank you so much. To join Mr. Vinod Agarwal, MD and CEO at BCV, I would like to invite the Team Apollo waiting there. Yes, congratulations.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Congratulations.
Thank you. Thank you.
Sir.
And this is in line with our slogan that future of Indian trucking and shaping the future of the bus industry. So both truck and bus we are modernizing, and that's what we are going to create, that future of Indian trucking and shaping the future of bus. And of course this award is dedicated to all our teams, especially our teams who are not present here today. Product development, who have done wonders with all these developments, taken the lead in our CNG development, and we were the pioneers for migrating the industry into the CNG, which is very, very beneficial for the customers. And today 40 to 45% of the industry is already migrated to CNG. And then of course we have the widest range of engines, CNG engines as well as the diesel, and I think we have 5 different types of base engines for the diesel and 2 CNG. So we have the widest range, and then of course all the other teams, manufacturing or sales and marketing, brand. So everyone has contributed, everyone in the organization to win this award. So this is dedicated to all of you.
This brings us to the end of our program. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you all so much for taking time out to be here and more importantly to be a part of this. My name is Frisia and here's wishing all our winners once again a big congratulations. We'll catch you again next year.